Hello smart people, welcome back to smart grid subject. Let us discuss smart grid interconnection system. I mean, how does the power supply and from the power generating station to consumer side, how that is interconnected, and then how does it communicated, or how does it controls, right? So there is a power generating station. Here there is a thermal, hydro, nuclear, gas power plant, or wind and solar power plants. Next there is a transmission substation will be there, right? So in the transmission substation, they have a step up transformer. See here, there is a transmission control center will be there. Here we are controlling power generation as well as transmission as well as distribution control center. See here, it is transmission control center is interconnected with distributed control center, right? Two-way communication will be there, not one-way communication. In if you go back to 10 years, so definitely one-way communication would be there, but at present two-way communication. How much power supply is required, how much power supply is generating, and what is the requirement, and then how much power supply is consuming, how much power supply is wasting. So that and all monitored and then measured by using a two-way communication system by using these control centers, right? Next we have a distribution substation. See here, it's like a cycle, right? So one cycle will be there. Distribution control system center. Here there is a distribution substation. So here how much power supply is entering and then how much power supply is outgoing from the distribution, and area of power supply requirement, and I mean like industries or domestic appliances or domestic usage or residential usage, that and all segregated here. And next there is a energy service provider. See here there is a energy service provider. It's like a I mean they are providing energy service to the customer or to the power plants. See here there is a two energy sources. I have given example in the previous video. In our college also we have a solar and then wind power plants, right? Solar power plants, sorry, wind power plant we are expecting in the future, but we all are, I mean we the students are working on that project. I mean wind energy in our college. So we can expect in another 1 to 2 to 3 months we'll construct wind power plants also. So we are generating here solar 212 kilowatts. So service provider we all are in our college. So directly it goes to here the distribution control system center. I just told you, right? Whatever we are generating power generation in the power plant, I mean solar power plant. So we are not utilizing that power. It is directly goes to distribution center. I mean directly goes to government. After that, from the government we are taking that power supply, right? Next, distribution power electronics here, and power electronics, power switchovers or power switching devices are like a distribution, right? So definitely it's a step down transformer like switching device are available. Next there is a here there is a residential customers and then commercial customer and industrial customers. See here residential customer is different, commercial customer is different, industrial customer is also different. So in the 10 years, I mean like again 10 years back, so these things will be common, like residential customer, commercial, industrial customer. Whether they'll pay that bill or not, we don't know. Like because everything is manual, right? If suppose if you give 1,000 rupees to bill meter reader, he used to reduce the number of usage. Just he'll write in his pen and then he'll give bill to the consumer side. So those things and all happening in the 10 years back, right? But at present there is a smart grid. Everything is smart. Whatever people are consuming, right, power supply, that will not leak out. So how much power supply we are consuming, that will read by the meter, and definitely that will go to distribution center. This much power supply we are utilizing here in the particular home. Why? How they'll make a program? Just they'll make a program like they'll place a two poles. I mean whatever poles will be there, right, they'll give one number to that pole. So from in between that pole, so this much power supply is dropping. I mean this much power supply they are using. I think already we discussed in the electric circuit analysis subject and uh, electric circuit analysis subject. So how much drop is occurring in the particular circuit? See, we solved so many problems in the electronics, analog electronics and the electric circuit analysis, even though in the transmission and distribution. So, how much power supply is dropped in the particular area and in particular place, and we solved all the problems. So, industrial customer, commercial customer and residential customer will be there. So, even though at present residential customers they are paying more bill compared to industrial customers, because industrial customers a part will be there, first part, second part, I mean till 1 minute to 2000 minutes, this much amount. I mean I'm comparing with I mean cost, okay. I mean 2000 to, I mean there'll be have a subsidy for that. So residential customer will be there. So based on that the smart grid will work, right. So here there is a communication network between everything, right. So previously there is no communication network, right. So power they are generating in the power plant, in the thermal power plant or hydel power plant, nuclear power plant, they used to call to the transmission control center and they used to communicate in one way. But at present everything is smart and then everything is two-way communication. Without knowing the person who is operating in the transmission control center or distribution control system center, so this power generating station person can know how much power supply is required and how much power supply is transferring from the generator and stations. So that will monitor in this picture, right. Next we have finally, I think you watch previous videos, definitely you will understand what is the meaning of a smart grid and then how does it works, right. First one, there is a network operation. See here, everything is two-way communication. Keep it in your mind, right? See here, network operation. We have first. I'll take energy provider. I'll come to here. Okay? No, I'm coming here. Energy providers. So energy provider is this one. Energy providers like thermal, solar, and then wind power plants or nuclear power plants or whatever. Those are the energy providers for the power system components or smart grid. And next we have a transmission, right. Transmission, after that generation, transmission we have. See here, transmission is interconnected with distribution, network operation, consumer and then consumer communication device. Next we have a distribution. See here, distribution like this, the symbol is like this, right. Distribution, there is a transmission lines will be present, this one is a step down transformer or whatever. Next consumer communication devices. So these are the communication devices. Here in this we have here one sensor, here one sensor, here one sensor. Sensor we placed because power monitoring. So this one is a large building. Large building is having one sensor. So sensor is for two-way communication, right. So how much power supply is utilizing and then how much power supply we are generating in this we can monitor. See here, this one is another one sensor, because how much power supply is required for this separate houses, right. And this one is another one sensor for small consumer, large consumer and then industrial consumers also we can place sensors. See, if it is sensor present, definitely it's an automatic intelligent power supply system, right. So next we have a consumer devices. See here, I told you already, if you are replacing incandescent lamp into LED lamp, it's also an energy saving device, energy efficient device. So inside the home also we can place a sensors and we can monitor, we can control, and like if you are unable to switch off the power supply while going out from the home, so what happens, simply it will be wasting, right. So if you place sensors, what happens, it will not waste, I mean automatically it will off condition. So that's why it's a consumer devices we have, and that means in the smart grid we must have energy efficient devices, right? Energy efficiency devices and less power consumer devices. If you are using till incandescent lamp, definitely you are in 1947. Please replace all the lamps into LED lamps. I'll tell you this one advantage of LED lamp. LED lamp it will not give any effect to the person. I mean, even though CFL lamp gives health effect to the person, because there is a ultraviolet rays will be there, and then there is a phosphorus coating, and then there is a chemical reaction inside the lamp, right? Even though in the incandescent lamp there is a chemical reaction, but in this LED lamp there is no chemical reaction. Just if you give power supply like 220 volts, it consumes only 60 volts, because inside there is a rectifier is present, and then each small LED consumes only 2 volts maximum, right? So that's why you must use consumer energy efficient devices, right? Next, there is a finally we have a network operation. This network operation interconnected with all the I mean like parameters, I mean all the areas, right? So that's a network operation. It's controlling operation, right? I mean it will monitor, and then it will give output to the consumer side and transmission side, distribution side, and also it takes input from the energy provider. Suppose for example, energy provider unable to give power supply, I mean based on the demand. If they are not satisfying the demand to the consumer side, so unable to produce power supply, so they are producing instead of 200 megawatts, just they are producing 100 megawatts in a sense. So the smart grid will operate here or will work here, and then it will manage, because storing devices will be there, and then it will take overall I mean overall power system operations.